abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe segudwini
Welcome guys to Enkundleni Exclusive, your favorite podcast hostwa khona lapha koBulawayo, brought to you by Deb3 Events, company ekhangele ngeze events management and planning, media planning as well, media management as well. So guys, we always say if you have any type of event, be it a family event, a corporate event, social event, church event, political, okay, singers khona lapho, but any type of event, you can get in touch with Deb3 Events for your PA system, your stage hire, your LED screens, photography, videography, ilakho i-Deb3 ukuthi ikuphathise. And also labana abasicompozela i-music, lama albums, sile rehearsal space and studio as well khona lapha at Deb3 Studios. It has been a long week. Yes, it has been a very long week, and we missed you so much, and I know you guys also missed us. And we brought back a very exciting episode. I'm quite sure it's going to be an exciting episode. Sizakhuluma kule ndaba ye-fuel, guys, sizakhuluma ngayo. But today we have a very exciting guest, an interesting person, lisaza ukumbona. But before that, let me introduce you to my co-host, a very handsome and good-looking, polished guy with General Leslie.
Yes! I'm gonna tell my mom! Yo! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive. Igama konguCheneral Leslie, one comedian, one funny guy, one man who's bringing a one-man show on the 31st of May, eBulawayo Theatre. Mawungakathengi itiketi mngani wami. What are you saying about me? What are you saying about my mental health? What are you saying about my children, my career? But well, 31 May, we are at Bulawayo Theatre for melodic humor. This is a fusion of music and comedy. So, ungafaki i-excuse khumalo lonkomo ukuthi hey thina sikho elizweni anti thumezana imali zama-tickets sabo nisemiko bami vela mfuna my-excuse abangani bami ngicela imali zama-ticket zibuye please mfuka uzisebenzise. So the idea is just to fill up Bulawayo Theatre. The idea is to make sure that we relieve people from their stresses and make them laugh and make them forget and also relate to social issues in a humorous manner. But well, our episodes are powered by Oguhle Designs for all your graphic work, graphic designing, t-shirt printing, posters, banners, whatever that you may need for whatever event or whatever shop or whatever. As long as it has to do with graphic designing, marketing, blah, 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 make sure you contact Oguhle Designs. Kuma contacts engwafake ku screen right now. And you know, was saying a very important issue. Guys, indaba lena yokuthi nxa lama shows omunye uyafika athi ani lo mngane wami ole speaker we've got the sound, guys. We've got this. At least if you don't want to use us, find proper sound at least. Well, we all know what the proper sound is at Deb3, but at least found something close. But well, that's a topic for Mbai. We'll get to that. For now, let us introduce you to our guest namhlanje. We've got a guest that is making noise. South Africa, Lekaya, and everywhere. He's making noise, and we've got Willie Power in studio today. Abanye bamazi, abanye bathi nguye, abanye bathi yiyo, abanye bathi ayisiyo. Tina, we just podcast bazali. Willie, welcome to the studio. Sakwamukela futhi.
Siyabonga kakhulu, siyaphila.
Awufuna ukuthi uhluba aqalise ngevesi. I was
Mina ndifuna ukubuza something. Awugodoli.
Like bengigodola but bengela choice because adila jazz.
Gambi, serious?
Banxesa ngasagodwa hayi ngishapha.
Okay.
Awula Jesu awula all right I know.
It's a chilly weather.
Yeah. It's okay. So abantu bazibuza ukuthi uWillie Power mbani. Sake sabuza umbuzo lo one of our presenters lapho wabuza umbuzo lo oqathekileyo wathi wabuza omunye umuntu ukuthi mbani wazizithi yimi. So khona studio na. So sicela ungathi uWillie Power yimi.
Alright. Yeah.
Who's Willie Power? What defines Willie Power? What is it that makes Willie Power Willie Power?
Alright. Like behind Willie Power, there is Major Phiri, which is my really name. Elokuzalwa Major Phiri, kumbe Major Moyo. But Phiri ngesika Masalo.
Alright.
Moyo ngesika Mdala. Though ngathatha ibirth ngama-papers kaMasalo. Major Phiri. Yeah, and then elokucula ilo Willie Power. Wama Revenge kumbe the Baptist kodwa all B not lwano e church. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any reason behind the replacing the P with the P?
Okwenza owami waba lo B uclose to lwano lo P.
Oh, kwaphendulelana so.
Close unye usekhanda lami just but
Okunye
I know that
kusemandweni.
it's closer. Ngathi it's my password.
Okay.
Oh, all right.
Okay,
All right.
okay.
All right.
Yeah, my password.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
And Willie Power, like TikTok, different views about your music with TikTok, Facebook again, different views about your music. Even on my streets, different views about your music. Abanye bathi yikho, abanye bathi ayisikho. Wena uthini Willie Power? Music yini? Is it a career? Are you a musician or you're a comedian or you are just a general artist? What are you?
Alright. Mina like I'm an artist ohlabelayo.
Okay.
Artist ohlabelayo. I'm an artist and then under ekubeni artist kwami I'm a musician under ekubeni artist.
Okay.
I'm an entertainer. In fact ngile artist sokulandela entertainment. So kuzabo music, influencer art. And then after music and then my mission is just to entertain people. Like ngabona umuntu vele what comes first is to entertain the person. It's either I know you or no, it's either you're a stranger. So ngathi I'm an artist ohlabelayo oyenza konke in the name of entertaining people.
Okay.
That's what angazi yikho engikhona. I do music, I sing.
Does that mean ukuthi sesingakubona la ku acting and stuff like that?
I can act, but I don't wanna act. I can write a script and everything. Akuningi abaningi bakhona ngababhalela just but ukuthi just bengakafuni ukukwenza. Ngile reason why but I can do it. I can do it. I know I can do it.
And for how long have you been doing art? And where are the roots? Kuqalele ngaphi? Is it something ophomba uvuke kuseni wathi I'm not artist or you have gone through some processes? Kuqalele ngaphi ukuthi kuze kufike kuthini I am an artist?
Like mina ngathi ngiqala ukuhlabela sasaba lokurecord ingoma and stuff. Ngiqala ukurecord ukuhlabela ngine 14 years if I'm not mistaken wensekhaya by that time. Nje wasedolobheni abuvakatshu bele ekhaya usenzana. I remember by that time sasibonga ngihamba ngihlabela just masi yabo. Yelusa inkomo ngale ngihamba lami ngizicreatele kuzingoma kwamende. I still remember I was 14 by that time, 15 lokho ngihlabela just ngichama amagabha ekhaya. Bengumuntu obe ethanda just ukuthi no man I know we don't have this but let me just try my best. Bese sichayela amagabha umuntu okhule ethanda amatope ika discover khona it was art. Bengumuntu ukuthi benthanda amatope kakhulu. Nxa ngi-inspire ngamanye ama-artist amakhulu ngilungisa isigodo ngithi lo ngiClement Magwaza. La abafana bakaMagada sebagida abafana bakaMagwaza lapha sebaphiwe imali yabo kushow. Ikade ngikwenza just ngithanda amatope. Ngithi lo nguMagwaza hayi umfana kaMagwaza lo namhlanje ulovile lo uhambile lami khonapho ngihlabela ngifoma ezinye ingoma lami ngisethi hey baresh labanye lezi ingoma engangazathi ahlatshelwa ngabobani. And then lezinye sasingeza ukuthi ama language akhona ngawani kwakungi-inspire hlabela ngedwe ekhaya kwapana chama gabha mbothi kodwa into engifuna iphuma iphumi but Ngangitshaya kuphela amagabha enze ngirekhode ngefoni ekhaya.
Okay.
Umama emangarethi khathi what's that? Icevele nje amagabha engandithuma kube kwazi ukuthi ngiyameka shoot ngiyenza umsebenzi wami fast senze emagabheni ami. Cha umama engandithuma something ngidlala isifoni yakhe ngirekhode ngama sounds ngihlabela. And then 2019 2018 yaqala ukungena e-studio. Ukurecorda lami izingoma ngirecorda kancane chaye nama-beat lawa amanye abe downloadiwe amanye abe njani uphiwe lami ngirecorda e-studio record. I remember ngiqala ukurecorda komunye just producer into sengirecordile and then ingoma zabangane ziyaduma esikole esinye sekhaya engafunda khona zahamba zakhala but by that time ngangakwazi ukuthi kulento ethiwa YouTube lento othiwa yilok and uproducer wayengirecorda wayefaka inamba zakhe so abantu babebuza ukuthi awufa so mina ngangena lwazi wayengitshela ukuthi bakudinga but khona ukuthi at least ngabe ngangikwazi ngangiyafaka I thought vele akufikanga emakhale akuphelele ekhaya so uproducer na ngiyayekwazi konke ukuthi kwenzakalani sengingaphi and then asengani ngiyathatha i-break kubo 2019 wapho ngudume esikole ngathi esikole eFlabusa ngingafunda khona sapho nguduma sagcwala isikolo sonke ama-teacher amanga athi canti uvela umuntu sekhatshana and then asengirelaxa just okwe 2 years thatha i-break and then senza kwempilo yami mbona and then ngazobuya back last year ikubuya kwami back sembota Harare Falls sampusha music sirecord izingoma
and ekuqaliseni kwakho in terms of finally really pursuing music kulabantu yini that are helping you in terms of mentorship or waphongoba isolated nje wazenzela wethu kulabantu that you say okay ngithe sikade sengiqalisa ukuthi sengiyidabula sibilani ngaya kuzibani ngancedisana lozibani kumbe it's just a solo
like ngithe like semfuna ukuba uqala siruba like serious khona plus of last year kusithe emuva khona like ngathi hayi uthi umuntu ekevakashi even kubo Victoria Falls ebona izindawo ebona athi yangale senzela asemfika ngabona even amadoda khona ngala pusha khona le follows senza ama collaborations and stuff but isifiso indlela engancane kuzayenzakala zayenkwenzakala esikhathi soneso anqanti vele ngavele child ama collab and stuff hayi yahle ngivuke akuzaye kungenzele ngcono apho ngikwenza but ngabona ngani vela kujintshanga but etlong ngayenza I believed kwatshintsha but azange kutshintshe and then after that ngasenzisiya kubo Harare ngilinke through more stuff nxalimazi wahlabela unyorela Tsamba Lolia wangintroducer kwabanye ama producers ngabona uFantani and stuff abanye beHarare ngajoin ama cup clash lanxa nganizama but ngangawini but ngangiwina mbijana push ama cup clash kubo City Sport kubo kuthiwa eGomba
ngakubona
sapush ama cup clash but sasiwina but kulokuwina lokhana okungcono lokhana but ngangiwina ngapusha and then ngithe ngikhona ngale ngazo recorda enye isong ethi mbona unengi ngingumfana yaba ngani yabhoda ku TikTok ikwaqala nganthiwa iyavela but azangiyenza ngufisa ngazokhipha enye ethi namhlanje ngifuna ukurevenge iyo yaqala ungani yagijima kangconywana yikho lami ukubuya sembizwa like sensiya ku Skies Metro FM like ikubuya kwami koBulawayo sensuke eHarare ngengoma naleyana but lapha engamfisa khona ukuthi ingenzele khona ayikwenzanga futhi kule into engangizi expect but yiko kwanika just inkani ngathi no but why ngangirecordile ingoma lala ngibelievile lami ukuthi se art yajabulisa abantu yayenza sibili but khona kwana engamfisa kwenzakala sayikwenza and then abaningi bathi wena qala ungabe lokhu khipha mchokojana baze bedakeke ngawe mina inhlizweni yami ngathi badake kanjani nangakaboni vele bekholisa into zami into engasiyathi hayi ngizama njani because I told myself ukuthi angila mali yokuthi ngishutele this song official video so omunye umuntu la ukuthi ekhipha ingoma njengayona le eshutele video ibe ihit than yami so ngase ngibona ukuthi njoba ngela mali ukuthi ngishute ivideo yengoma le ngcono ngiqhubeke ngiphusha kwenza ukuthi ngihlale ngirelevant angazithiwa yini esikhiyo kuhlala khona ku media ngoba ngarelax ngela video ngiyabe ngenzanga lutho and ngabe ngarelax ngaba vela kwenzakalanga lutho and then ngaqhubeka ngiphusha ngipusha
Then sagcina sesikumpide emazinyweni.
Sakafika kumpide emazinyweni. I just made a just simple sound song like that one angiyenzela for abancane because people they forget kids into yenze entertainment ngapho ukuthi kulomuntu ongena toilet uchiye ngaflashanga ufundisa abantu ukuthi iyo yalandela kwaphana and then
Yeah, I think I think it was posted by who on TikTok. I don't remember, but it's I just don't want to throw it at someone, but I think it was Snowy. Sorry if it's not you, but I think ngabona like umuntu ngathi ingoma lemele ngilalele. No, I don't have time. I don't have time, no. Security.
Entertaining kids only wena kosenhleka lapha.
Low entertained.
but ayenza for kids for fun just I remember kwakusekuseni ngabo 4 apho nguvuka ngapho ngubamba ifone ngapho ngurecorda ngefone just nje speak a beat ngapho nguhlabela nje ngihlabelile ngakwahlabela kuyikota so and then ase post ku TikTok asembona after 1 hour wona challenge 90 awona 200 abantu abadala baseGoli UK asembona 400 ama challenges 500 ku TikTok ama post asembona 1000 abona sokutrendile ithi mphuma phandle senzizwa abantu asebahlabela bonke endlala lapha ezindleleni kulomuntu ongena etoilet uchiye ngaflashanga so asemazo ukugcwele abantwaneni bonke ezikolweni sokudumile ema ground so ikuqala nami account yami sikhula ku TikTok asembona sibili abantu sebanlike sebangifollower abanye beposta behleka abanye besenza ama challenge bonke umuntu uyakholisa sibili but yaphana like ngamfundisa abantu ukuthi abaningi iqiniso balazi but abafundi ikhulunywa vele ukuflasha vele umuntu mele flash so that's what
you flashile.
the class ngama so azamfundisa ukuthi kulezi izinto ezikhona empilweni kana abantu azifuni ukuzikhuluma
Wawutoleni wena etoilet.
What inspired that song?
Because kwakusekuseni and things get messed up ekuseni uyilipa uyaphuma endlini usayichoka short etoilet no lapha etoilet my few toilet no man lay running stomach right ingoma lesengibhala ingoma lesengishaya no faka speaker wena Joyce yasikhala man non stop but I like it I motivation yakona
but it was for kids
yeah
But no, you were
abadala
saying
they're
it
enjoying
was
it.
for the kids. But abadala basebenza challenge.
It's
I still
challenge,
believe
yeah.
it is for kids because right now even mankamba so bahlala bembuthi kathi awukayikhiphi official song mina like I just ngamfuna ukuphonga ubako ngisho but lokho bekhala abantwana base I remember kulabanye abadala babecha even erenkile abathi ndlula amanga nabecha speaking ku TikTok so kuyisound ngapho ngithi these guys they are playing ingoma nje because this one very ngo entertain unana balaba basakhula ukuthi imbamba generation for tomorrow's life for the future purposes and then after that ngabona sokusiba ngcono sibili kudlula lezi lapha emuva le ase ngikhipha umanzi aqandayo ethi ngikhule enhluphe bengicathi amanzi aqandayo that one ngapho ukuthi na sometimes lesikhathi sokuthi ngiyafeel ukuthi no man kule ngoma engifeelayo emoyeni but angayitholi so ngapho ngubamba iskipper lokho ispeaker sami chai beat but lokho ngisazama ukuthi ngiphumele something kodwa kuyala ngaze ngafika kumanzi aqandayo lapha I was creating ngamfeel ukuthi no man today mina ngihlabela ingoma and then ngandomunye umfana wami just endokuphusha la yabe ehamba lami lapha engiyakhona so ngathi ngihlabela ezinye ingoma lezi ngangimbona engani ka react into esengisithi ngikhule ngihlupheka bengincithi amanzi aqanda abanye bethatha efridge ngamo sithi ya ingoma le phela yabuya le ngathi this is a hit and then ikho lami uthi ngirecord ephone I believe ukuthi sometimes mina ngithanda ukusebenza ngokukhona ngabuya something nxa ngela mali ku studio ngiyasebenza khona I believe ukuthi nxa uNkulunkulu vele kunikile ulutho even ngefone na leyo kungamastwanga usebenzisa original vocal to trend nxa vele kumele ku trend so ngase ngiphonga uyenza ngefone ngaposta ngabala sihambile yakamba but yaqasa usetshenziswa abanye abaseGoli even oKing Nuba amanye ama artists labanye just abachechene ama content creators lase Harare la khona kubulawa ngathi but sokuyenza phela yikuba lami lama accounts ami setshintsha labantu saqasa ukuthi hayi uyapush music saqalisa uku like abe follower bekhalisa izingoma ngase ngibothi but ingoma le ihambile le ngase qala ukuye studio kuyirecorda officially singoma ukuyirelease ku YouTube but kulapha engangifuna kwenza akufikanga futhi
Hey.
ngalokho ngisithi no man lapha ade ngifuna kwenzeke into ade ngifuna yenzeka la sayenzakalanga ikuhlala asengikhipha umbhide emazinyweni
Umpete Mazinyane wasehamba man.
yafika yasikeza ukuthi kungaphi lapha kade ufuna ifike khona kodwa yafika yini
Umanzi aqandayo.
umbhide emazinyweni
ya umbhide emazinyweni into engayifuni yayifikile umbhide ifikile
Yes, umpete yesingathi breakthrough sibili ukuthi mfohle ngayo.
because abantu bajele ukuthi umanzi aqandayo it's a hit to revenge it's a hit but to me engenzele sharp ngumbhida but manje umbhida ngayenza simple just ngiqala ukuyifaka just I wasn't expecting but lapha nokuthi ngiyenze it was inari inkani ukuthi no man lapha emva ukuthi ufike khona kwayi kuyala why not mina inkani I believe enkanini too much ngiyi-one just ngaba yi-one kakhulu kule nto emphuma layo yiko ngathi kanti bengi-avoid ukuthi imbe yi-one ngumuntu okhulela ke engumuntu othanda amatope bendlala ngiyi-one and bengiwadlala kahle mangiyi-one manje abantu abaningi vela ngikwanisa I'm feeling comfortable ngaba yi-one ke ngidlala kwentope lami ngize ndi-enjoy but masibaningi manje haya I don't think ukuthi even uku-create ingoma sibile sharp ngilabantu abaningi I don't believe that ngakcreate just ingoma but nxa ngikhipha sibili something umtshoko ngiyenza ngiyi-one sengibiyantshela umuntu sha ndoda lapha kule nto emphumela ngiyi-one la ebese mangathi uphumela kanjani but masiya 4 or 5 amphumi le nto nale
Wena nyakwazi kwakwenza lithanda udla amatope libaningi. Oyala uba yinja. Hlala uvuba ngomama abantwana sebehamba esikolo. Umama wadlala wena amatope.
Akhula
No amatope wadlala wena. Mina remember one day amatope bayayala ukuthi mbe ngubaba. Ezingahle ngazonda amatope because ngangikwazi ukuthi ubaba uhlisale esenzani. Ngabantwana besikolo. So mina namhlanje sobaba mina namuhla mina. Ubaba mbanzi uthi lo ngahlala ngisadlala lokho ngahlala qasuke sokwezimota.
Okay, now coming back to you. Besikhuluma ngama shows before we started the podcast before the recording started. Ubeng update ngama shows and stuff. I won't mention which ones uzakhuluma yena. Sithi khona kule inye it was okay but the sound quality was bad.
Yeah.
And stuff like that. Wena usuke waba lama shows yini? If nxa usuke waba lama shows ama experiences akho abenjani? If you have had any shows.
yeah like ama shows yasengeke ngaba lawo experience yami kuma shows lawo like ngakhuluma like about isound or what
Anything
General experience.
nje okufundileyo from ama shows.
Ubuhle ububi ama challenges and
Right.
stuff.
from this year kumbe
Anything.
Lapha nje we are talking about ususitshele ngawe ekuqaliseni
Okay.
usiza ngaphi usiza ngaphi.
so ngiqala
So wena
Lapho obekhona ngo-Hilly Power.
lapho okuclear khona okukhumbula khona the memory kumbe siphonga ukuthi the day I'll never forget.
Uthi ayisho le yiyo le manje le.
Okulokhe
I saw
kusekhanda
inyuke
lapho.
wayiposta ku TikTok uhlabela ingoma yathi ngicela iquiet.
right.
And abantu behlabela labo ngendlela bezwa ngayo. So experience njani kuma shows?
ngathi ama shows sibili ngiyabonga in terms of live performance konke correct ama fans sibili support lami ngicela siba shocked ukuthi lokho ngabantu okuyabe kucomment into ezinjani kuyabe commenta kusemazweni aphi because nxa ngifika kuba show ambathola ngifike ngithola abantu abayenza kahle abathandayo abahlabela ingoma
Babe comment bengapi?
ngike ngizibuza khona
Bakomenta
ngoba ngahlangane labo ku live show yami ngoba manje live show people instead of me singing wona they sing cela msemphonga ukugida but angikwazi ukugida so it disadvantage esenhlangane layo yokuthi kuyakumele mina ngigide so
Ngoba
angikwazi
sebehlabela, usahlabele wena.
already ama voices nyabe sengindawahlabelayo mina kasomele ngigide lami react manje ukugida mphiwanga this is the first challenge sebembuza yona enhlangana layo ngaphi kuma shows and then number 2 ngathi kulabanya awungama sabo I remember kulapha ngaperforma khona entumbane ya kulo munye wafika la esaqasa ukuthi hey Mike ngana isayenze kahle I know abantu abale jealous wona Mike isingasayenzi kahle no performer uzothiwa iMike le isiphela ibattery ha abayibeke ba performer before ingaphelanga into esihlangana lazo ukuthi sometimes yes kamele sibe nama DJs ethu umuntu uyabunga master uvele ngaphi engabona usujumpisa abantu kahle kahle uzabona iMike singasayenzi yabe futhi kumbe kuyangise ngabantu yini kumbe khawulisa ukuthi vele ujumpiselana abantu so hayi ngathi ngokunye esihlangana lakho ekuperformeni but not zonke izindawo kwenzakala just but mina indlela engakuyengila ngakho
Okay.
because ngiyabe ngikumission as long yami mission it's a must ukuthi pass vele so yiko kunye sihlala lakho kuma shows ukuthi ama sabotage ngini ya to sabotage but not everywhere lapha sibili kuyaba right konke.
Yeah, I think I like your attitude.
Yeah,
I like your
it's a good one.
attitude.
It's a good one.
Because-
Especially on the fact yokuthi kan lava bakomenta kube bahlalanga.
Ngoba bengekho
Babe
kuma-show.
bengekho kuma shows. Babe benga abantu bonke bekholisa so uyabadinga so awubaboni.
Awubaboni, yeah.
Yeah, but I think
so also it brings out a lesson yokuthi because since isiqalisileyo I think if there's an artist out there olaleleyo and engatholanga ilesson hayi ngudandayedi because since isiqalisileyo he keeps on emphasizing about ukuba le milestone ukuthi kulalapha kade ngifika
ufika
khona but
khona.
bengafikanga and then ekhulume ngokuthi izinto bezishoda we record even ngefoni senza he was working ngalokho
With whatever that's
alapho
there.
and he was staying like kuma means akhe oku disposal yakhe that's what he was using
Yeah.
and make sure ukuthi usebenzela ukuya reacher that goal yakhe na leyangazitshela ngayona athe ukufika lapha emfunga khona so I think it's actually a lesson to someone out there
Yeah.
because you find ukuthi kulabanye abantu who've got plenty of resources and they are not patient and they give up kuvele kube lokunto okuncane nje phela abantu abasupport and they always blame other people avuma ukuthi yena nguye wrong yabo and nantsho yabona ukuthi khathesi uyakhuluma ukuthi hayi mina ukugida kanjani angithiwa uyabona ama deficiencies akhe and uyabona lapha aqine khona ama strengths akhe so I think it's actually a good lesson for someone out there who's also aspiring to be like him
Yeah.
or to produce something
Yeah.
but awudanda idivela
And also a lesson I think for me, and we come from different worlds and we can't really like enjoy the same thing, all of us. And so if you don't relate to maybe the type of art, if you don't relate to the type of creativity, let it not be regarded as not creativity to you. Ukuthi wena maybe nxa ungakuzwisisi then susithi ayisikho. If you don't understand it, then follow what you understand. Like me, I follow what I understand. What I don't understand, I won't tell you. There are some shows that I don't attend, not because I walk right, but because I don't understand what's going to be happening there. So ngiyagcina sengifila out of place. And talking about shows, mina ndithanda izinto, so I attended 2 shows the previous week. Lapho munye umuntu decide khona ukusidoja. Always nxa singekho studio kabe kuyimi. But Karezi mancuthi yena wayevelelwa njani. But well, it's a topic for another day. It's a topic for another day.
uzangiyalisa wena umuntu wamukele
So I attended 2 shows because of time. Let me just run this quick. 2 shows, Ebulawa Theatre. I think it was back-to-back shows. The other one was on a Saturday. Then the next Saturday we had shows. The beauty of both the shows is they were led by women. So it shows how i-industry yakobulawayo ebanjwa khona kuhle. So ngabomama ngabosisi and they are throwing and they are going up. And so the first one was Aquila K and the Divas, and Divas were doing good. We had Led to the Poet, Chichi, Lucy Chiki, Mandy May, to mention just a few, and it was a great one. I enjoyed, except for the sound. Like I said at the beginning of the show, let's find sound from trusted sources. If you need sound,
Quality sound.
visit Dep3 Events. Come and talk to us. Asonya Mazana, Buya, and tell us what you want to achieve, because Tina, as Dep3 Events, our main goal is to make sure ukuthi i-industry emathebelele ndiyaphakama, industry yakobulawayo iyaphakama. That is why we have Enkundleni Exclusive. That is why we have Pass and Move. That is why we have Ingwalo Zabalobi. We want to make sure that we go up as a family. So buya uzokhuluma lathi, ungathi abadula sakubetha wena ngekanda elikhulu. Then we had another show the following week, which was Chantel. Besides time, we started a bit late, technical problems, uyakwazi ukuthi a lot of things happening, but they delivered. The EP is on point. If you haven't checked out Chantel with an X, so it's Chantel. So that you understand. But it's Chantel with an X. Make sure you go and stream music Chantel. EP yakhe, it's interesting. It features Ubila, it features Ubutolezwe, it features Kwezi, to mention abanye nxa economy ukhohlwa kanjani. Amani again is there, so Umfana Msotho, yes, is also there. So let's make sure that we stream music here kobulawayo. And also today in studio we've got Willie Power. Willie Power music yakhe ikhona. Follow him on TikTok, follow him on Facebook, and make sure you check out his craft ngoba laye awedabula so lenye ingoma so ethi ngicela Kare bana before singakhuluma ngefuel. Kare ngoma la ebhizi la ethi tumsopo. Awishaye very verse la.
Ilokuqalela phakathi iqhalela eqalisela ngaze saqalela.
Ngifuna lapha semsobheni lapha.
Ithi ma ufraya ibhinzi ungabo hafula isuphu, ma ufraya ibhinzi ungabo hafula isuphu, uma upheka ibhifu ungabo faka isuphu, uma upheka ibhifu ungabo faka
Alright,
isuphu.
ungafiki phambili lapha. Lapho thini kanti la? Oyiphinzi ungafaki isuphu.
Yeah, ma ufraya ibhinzi
Ungavuli
ungabo
isuphu.
hafula isuphu,
That mouse upheka ibeef.
ungabo faka isuphu.
Kusitshoni.
Like
Kumbe nje yikukholisa nje kuphela.
like ma ufraya ibhinzi vele kahle kahle akumelanga uhafula isuphu.
Alright.
But
Nxa uzifry.
le ingoma ukuthi yeah,
Alright.
it's a song,
Eh.
but mina labanye we understand,
Oh,
and I believe it more people nxa sokwenzakala into kwakhona they understand.
Oh.
Nxa sokusiya phambili siqhubeke ukuthi ayikaphumi official plus abakayizwa abanye sebayizwa ukuthi vele uhamba njani ekufryeni and stuff,
Okay.
mawuthiwa ungafuli makuthiwa lapha ungabofaka
something.
eh.
Uyabulala ngezokupheka.
Mina ukupheka
Aleya soyokupheka le ngoma le.
Wow. It's not a literal meaning.
Aleya soyokupheka.
How?
Yikho
How?
ngimisile ngathi awungadluleli phambili.
How?
But no, just a quick one. Transport is killing us. Transport is killing us.
This thing ishaya ogada umshova lo driver.
Yeah.
So recently we saw ama hikes in terms of fuel prices, and you know Iran is very far from Zimbabwe. But
All right, no, thank you. Thank you. No, Willie Power, abantu bakuthola ngaphi nxa bekudinga bakuxhuma kanjani?
mina ngikhona Facebook Willie Power Major, TikTok Willie Power wama Revenge kumbe Willie Power the Baptist, YouTube Willie Power the Baptist, even ngathi Willie Power wama Revenge ngiyaphuma kumbe uthi Willie Power kuphela, uWillie lwano lo wayi so space sifaka upower uyathola kwapha kumbe hayi even ngathi impide emazinyweni yanithola futhi.
Qale vele. Which is good. Then ufuna ukutshelani omunye umuntu maybe ofuna ukuba njengo Willie Power. Uyamtshela ukuthi ayenze njani?
Umuntu ofuba njengo Willie Power engamtshela khona ukuthi abe serious and abekezele njalo esebenze nzima ngoba this is not a joke. Music is spiritual and physical at the same time, and I believe ukuthi angeke upho ukuthi umuntu abakwathi usidlule ngabhanga onye ngeke because of time ngithatha maybe 2 years ukuthi sikhulume ya nxa ungakawosi inyawo zengulube kusesenzima and akula into yamahara and umusic ukuze uphushe kumele ubekezele usebenze very hard sacrifice uluze sibile ezinye izimali la utry ubusubona ama results engekho right futhi uphinde utry but nxa try lokho one day usozotry uzakwenza ungakhiphanga imali uqala kule mali vele umele ukhiphe alapha yabula manga uzaphuma ezinye izimali sibili uzikhiphela amahara and it's a must ukuthi uziphume but after that kuzayenzakala ungela mali phakathi umuntu asibekezeleni la uzehlisa kwamanye ama artist ufunda nxa umuntu engakumbuluzela uqhubeka futhi uzehlisa and staff ufunda la uthepa ama anointing. I believe in anointing, tape ama grace and stuff. I think
no, let's close it.
So guys, there you have it. Mina angiloko ukungezelela ngikhulumile ngathi nxa ungasoze ufunde anything from this episode, you are a dunderhead, because into ayikhulumayo it not only applies to the musicians but it also applies to everyone in other sectors, be it business, even art sector, poets, actors and all that. So sports people, it's the same concept, different fields, but it's the same concept. So I think sonke simele sibe sifunde okuningi from what Willie Power said today. And thank you so much for tuning in today. Uyalila demfu ngikhuluma ngefuel, uyalile wangimisa wathi sokwanile. But anyway guys, thank you so much for tuning in into this episode, and sibonge uWillie Power for being with us today. Thank you so much for taking your time ukuthi ubuze ukuba la studio. Before we close, uGeneral Leslie kumele asitshele ngama shows abuya.
Ishow eqhakatheke kakhulu. All right. Okay, thank you so much, Nondudu. Thank you so much, Willie Power. So for upcoming shows, like it's comedy after comedy in Bulawayo and comedy after comedy, like there's just so much comedy. I think right now, Gulistiam, I've got around 5 or so comedy shows. So ukuthi ngiqambe wonke one ngiyaqeda isikhathi, but what I can advise you is let's go to Frank Chirisa, say check ama shows akhe. Let's go to Dejuni, say check ama shows akhe. Let's go to Umahlekisa Comedy Club, say check ama shows, and also let's follow uGeneral Leslie across all platforms and check what's happening next. But for the big ones, we've got the roast of Ukaya, a high popular Iviki nalibuyayo on the 20th of March. It's going to be a mega roast. Panelists, they are politicians, they are socialites, they are TikTokers, you are my socialite, and MCs. Like it's a good panel. So I hope we are going to crack our ribs. And your roast master is yours truly, Ugeneral Leslie. Then after that, we've got another roast again, the roast of Umeya way to Umlungisi Culted live at Bulawayo Theatre, hosted by Umahlekisa Comedy Club, and the roast master on that one is Ntando Van Moyo. A massive lineup again, Konapana. So I hope we are going to have a good fun. Then the important one, on the 31st of May, it's going to be on a Sunday. New things, new year, new beginnings. We're doing things differently this year. On a Sunday, just after church, upume church, bangakuti fire, welele, uvuke so le stress, you go straight to Bulawayo Theatre and you watch Melodic Humor, proudly brought to you by yours truly and Misfit Band. So it's a fusion of comedy and music. Ama early bird ticket ayenza $5. But siyafika phambili ngale ngendlela embona ukuxokozela ngayo. I think uzagcina uthengele 10 mfakazi kuma lo nkomo nyalikuza njengani imali yamatiketi ngimele abaye bonke ngingabazwela imali yenu yamatiketi ngimelele imali yamatiketi. Let's grab our tickets. So it's going to be interesting, it's going to be comedy, and I don't know, besides the Independence, I haven't heard. I know there's going to be a show in Enkundleni, a black, to follow, Black Mfolos, but Senlibel ama days, but there's going to be a show at Black Mfolos. There's going to be boxing. Activities have started to manifest. I think next week I need to bring like a printed list. Ngoba sengimdala mathu.
Eish, imali iyaphela. Ama-shows wonke lawo.
But awaduli into engithanda ama-shows akobulawayo. Ngoba khathesi sibili edulayo i-roast but I do it because generally is $10 unless nxa usufuna
No, you know
luxury.
what? I'm saying when you want to attend, like, amaningi.
Alright. Thina into esicelayo bakithi thina as ama-podcasters akhuluma ngamashow enu lapho mbukusendela ama-tickets swiyani bavuma. Right, so anything
you have
before I
a choice.
close.
You have a choice.
I think that's what we have. That's what we
Okay,
have.
so
yeah.
what I can remind our viewers is please do comment. Ama-comment siyawathanda, siyawabona. And please do comment and also share i-link ye-podcast to others. Wenze ukuthi ungakholisi wedwa. And please do follow Dep3 events across all social media platforms. The name is Dep3. And also follow ama-hosts, General Leslie, across all social media platforms. Across all social media platforms.
Yebo, imota siyagezisa eKawash. Imota azibuye zizogeza. iKawash isebenza kuhle. If siyagezisa izimota, amabhuku akhona. They're still $10 and yes, amabhuku they're still going for $10. So amabhuku asiqhubekeni is-order. Imota sihambisa eKawash siyageza. It has been Enkundleni exclusive and it has been an interesting episode with Willie Power. Mina ngihamba lo bro wami uNonduduzo Ncube. Chapas, like he said, Willie Power across all social media platforms, Nonduduzo Ncube across all social media platforms, and Mina, General Leslie across all social media platforms. Make sure you follow Dep3 events, make sure you subscribe, like, and press that notification button so that you know what's happening next. From Mina, uLeslie Masu, lo Nonduduzo Ncube, lo Willie Power, sithi salbona, singalikhangela.
Bye.
Wozani nabangane lapho sixoxe zelizwe indaba esegudwini